Hey guys, so it's been a while that somebody else did my hair, and today I am going to give you guys my stylist friend Ebony, and she did this beautiful human hair twist on me. And when I tell you, this is not your synthetic passion twist, okay? This is 100% human hair that she used to do this beautiful, soft, lightweight twist, and she's going to show you how she did it from start to finish. Because to get it to look like that, you have to basically do it the way that she does it, okay? So as you can see, these are human hair, soft, lightweight twist. And yeah, so those of you who've been asking me for hair appointments, listen, I'm about to send Ebony y'all's way, okay? You can see the twist is nice and soft, nice and flowy, just beautiful, like no heavy weight at all. I love them. So we're going to be using hair from Eayon Hair, and we're going to use their human hair bulk. I absolutely love this hair. This hair just made my twist look so beautiful, soft and lightweight. So I have 5 bundles of their kinky curly hair, and this is the hair. Very pretty texture, very pretty curls, as you can see. So you need human hair that's like this type of tight curl to get the look. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles of this hair, and Ebony is really just separating the hair. So she's going to use about 1.5 strand, 1.5 to 2 strands, and this is basically how she installed it. So keep on watching. So once you're done twisting, the twist is going to look kinky like this, but you want to make sure you watch this video to the end, because she's going to show you an important step to make it just fall and like just flow and give you that body you saw in the beginning. So now that she's done, she's going to show you one more important step for the twist, to make it nice and flowy, to make it like fall when you like put your hands through it and shake it, okay? And just to like relax the kinkiness of the hair. So what she's going to do is to apply some grease. That's what she's doing right now. So if you have Blue Magic grease or Dax or whatever grease you have, just apply a good small amount of grease to like the hair from like the middle to like the ends, just massage the grease into the hair before you dip in hot water. This is just going to allow the hair to like fall nicely. And yeah, so I didn't wash this hair before, you know, installing it on my, before having Ebony install it, because I know that after she's done, we're going to dip in hot water, and I don't want to like wash it and remove the, I don't know, the tightness of the curl, so it doesn't make it difficult for her when she's twisting. So I just left it, install it, and then we dip it after she's done, because this is the look that I was going for, and I didn't want to mess it up at all. So yeah, now that she's done massaging it, she's going to trim off some of the ends, and she's going to dip in hot water. Let me tell you guys, like, I did not feel any pain. I was like falling asleep. Like, Ebony is like me when you know, we do hair basically like the same way. So I loved it. I loved it. I knew I was in good hands because yeah, me and Ebony, we've worked together before. So like, yeah, like, you guys, I'm going to leave her page, everything. You guys are asking me for hair appointment to book. She's in New York. You can go to Ebony and she's going to hook you up, okay? Like, you guys know that I would never recommend anything that's not good for you. So you're going to be in good hands with Ebony. So yeah, I'll leave her Instagram. It's Ebony Crowns, and go check her out. Go book her if you're in New York. Go get it and leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't take hair appointments, okay? But yeah, I love the hair. So I am very impressed with this hair. Like, this hair is amazing. It's super lightweight, not heavy at all. It's beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, I like that I don't feel like I have anything on my head. you know. So yeah, make sure you try out this hair and try out this twist. I've been wanting to try out like human hair twist for a while, and I just needed the good quality hair to do it, and this hair is really, really good. So we didn't actually finish the whole bundle, but yeah, I still have a little, like a good amount left, like about 2 bundles left, because I wanted to do them small, and I wasn't sure how much hair we would need, so I don't run out of hair. So you could just buy like 4 bundles of this bulk hair and you should be good. I just wanted extra just in case, you know, we're doing the hair and it's not enough. So once again, this hair is from Eayon Hair. I'll leave the link to this company in the description box. Make sure you check them out. So yeah, I can actually swim with this hair. I can wash my hair, I can get it wet. As you can see, we dipped it in hot water and it was fine. So yeah, this is definitely a vacation friendly hairstyle, and I think the older it gets, it's gonna look really nice, and I intend to wear this for a very long time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love it. Thank you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. I think one thing I like the most is how I could just like maneuver. I could just maneuver this hair like and do whatever I want. Whew. Finally, my hair is braided. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.